Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On today's video, I have a brand new subscription box to my channel and it is called the Slay Glam bag. How adorable is that? I am super impressed with how cute that is. But what Slay Glam bag is, it is a beauty subscription box, much like BoxyCharm, Ipsy, all the other kinds out there. You receive 5 to 7 beauty products. I wrote it all down because I don't have this one memorized yet. It says in each box you get 5 to 7 beauty items ranging from makeup, skincare, beauty tools, and or fashion. Value at least $100 and it costs $24. Now you could get this, you could subscribe monthly, every 3 months, 6 months, or for 12 months. Right now, since I'm just testing it out, I'm doing it on a month-to-month basis, and that means I can cancel it anytime I want. Now, I do not know if it has a referral program, but I will leave all the information and the link to their website if you're interested in trying it, but I don't know if there's any discount programs. Okay, so with that, let's go ahead and open it and see what they gave me. Looks like a lot of stuff in there. Look. Let's pull out the big baby first. Oh, wait. It looks like it says Slay Glam Box. Thank you for subscription. Hashtag slayglambox. Slayglambox.com. Oh, and it says on here everything that's in here. So that's handy for me as I read that to you guys. Okay, so the first thing out is this. And this is the Manna Kadar Lip Library. And they say this is valued at $24. Wow. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in here. Manna Kadar, excuse me if I'm saying that wrong, liquid lip stains are the latest innovation in lip stains with smooth application that keeps lips hydrated with pigment that lasts for hours. Manna is hailing from Paris, France, is a seasoned beauty veteran transforming A-list celebrities in film, fashion, and beauty with her signature Beauty Simplified products. Red carpet ready in 5 minutes or less. Okay, so this looks very interesting. Can't wait to try that. Here, we're just gonna dump the whole thing out. All right, so I'm gonna pick this one up first and hold this up for you guys. Don't know what that is. This is Sourmet Satin Eyeliner. Wow, look, that's pretty thick, huh? Ooh, but it went on very nice. That's gonna create a thick line though. Let's see what it says about this. Sourmet Treatment Cosmetics Limited Edition Satin Eyeliner. That's why it went on so smooth. It was very satiny. Value $18. Well, that's a pretty big product too. That is a very big pencil. Satin eyeliner, rose and gliss. It looks more like, it's not a black. I don't know if it's picking up. It's a very dark brown. And I don't have any dark brown eyeliner, so that's nice. Okay, and then here's another item out. And this is also from the company Sourmet, if I'm saying that correctly. This is a smear-proof lip liner, value at $9.50. And the color is, well, you can pretty much see. That would probably be a very good color for me. It looks like more of a natural nude color. I'm not going to open it right now because I got like 3 lip liners open, so we're not going to open that one right now. And then we have something called Dirty Little Secret. And this is a baked highlighter valued at $14. So let's go ahead and open this and see what it looks like. And I have a lot of highlighters open right now too, so this might go into a giveaway, but I will open it if I can and show it to you guys. It's a beautiful color though. Look at that. That might also look very nice like on as an eyeshadow, like right on the lid. Ooh, I'm tempted. I don't know, I might keep this one. Should I keep this one? Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep this one. I like that color. Oh yeah. I know I don't need any more highlighters, but is it picking up? It's very light, not overpowering. I think it would look really pretty on the eyelids. Or maybe right here on the, here. Is my nose glowing? All right, I'm glad I kept that one. Dirty Little Secrets. Okay, we have another one. Ooh, this is a very beautiful box. Romance Me eyeshadow palette. And this says Slay Glambox, Rasha B Cosmetics, Romance Me eyeshadow palette, value at $27. All right. Oh, I don't know if this is picking up how beautiful this is. This is pink and sparkly. I don't know about this company, but boy, does that look beautiful. I'm impressed with the packaging. Oh, okay. Oh, yes. These are very springtime colors. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that one right there. That looks gorgeous. I'm not gonna swatch any of these right now because I don't know if I'm gonna keep this one, because I did just order Jeffree Star and there's some purples, and you know, I'm already getting the Jeffree Star and some of the colors are very similar, but I don't know. Like, I really like that neutral over here too. I don't know. I'm probably gonna end up breaking down and playing with this one too. Okay, I got to. I have no self-discipline. I gotta see what that sparkle. Oh yeah, look at that. And then the one right above it, look at that color. Oh, that's beautiful. And now I gotta try the purple. And I'm gonna be getting a lot of purple. There's that one. And then it looks like, yeah, there's neutral right in there. All these are very neutral. That's neutral, that's neutral, that's neutral, that's neutral. Woo, look at that. That picks up really nice. Here, let me see if I can get this color. That one's called, I don't know, Passion. That's beautiful too. That would be beautiful with some purple. So I definitely got some springtime colors going on here. Okay, and it says on here, Happy Valentine's Day and Black History Month. And Slay Glambox, I will leave all the information down below if you guys are interested in trying it out. Yeah, I got all these lip products. I can't wait. I'm probably gonna give this away too. Maybe. I don't know. I'm not gonna make promises. I might put this in a giveaway. This I'm probably gonna put in a giveaway too, because I have many lip liners right now. But this brown eyeliner I'm definitely gonna keep. The highlighter I'm gonna keep. And of course I'm gonna keep the palette because I've already played with it and I love eyeshadow palettes. So for $24.99, I'm pretty happy. I'm glad I played with it, and I might try it again for one more month. So what do you guys think of this box? Do you think it's worth the money? Do you think I should keep with it, or do you think I should move on to something else? I do have another new subscription box coming, And right now, off the top of my head, I can't remember the name of it, but it has fashion in it, but I can't remember what it is. Oh, too many boxes. Anyway, if you guys are liking these videos, please click the like and subscribe button and click on the little bell. And when I get my new subscription box, because I keep trying to filter through new subscription box. So when I get my new subscription box, hit the little bell, and when I upload it, you'll be notified right away and you will get to check it out. Okay, guys, until next time, bye-bye.